If you're currently in the process of building out your very first ebook, or you're updating an existing ebook, or you've come up with a new idea and a new concept and you're going to turn that into an ebook, I want you to stop what you're doing right now. And I mean it. Put down your laptop, put down your mobile phone, and I want you to pay attention to this video. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you a tool that you can use that's going to help you create interactive digital products that is really going to elevate your actual digital business. And it's going to help your actual customers have the most incredible experience with the tools that they buy from you. And you're probably sick of hearing of this actual AI tool, which is Claude. Claude is absolutely everywhere, but not many people are talking about how incredible the Claude artifacts actually are. Claude artifacts are now available within the actual free plan on the Claude platform. And instead of you creating your basic checklist, your basic PDF ebook, you can create interactive digital products that are going to make your customers feel like they are having a more specialist and personalized experience with you. Because let's face it, how many digital products, how many ebooks, how many Notion templates, how many digital products have you actually purchased? You've opened it, you read one page, you never look at it again. You might scroll all the way through and all you can see is wall-to-wall text, maybe a couple of images. There's no videos, there's no additional links for you to click on. Thousands of people are still purchasing digital products as a way of consuming information, but they tend not to go any further than page 2. And that percentage is probably even higher if they do not know you or frequently buy products from you. And this is why I feel like your standard PDFs and checklists within this digital space are going to die out. Maybe not right now, but I feel eventually with the rise of interactive tools and apps that so many people have the capacity to create for themselves, people are no longer going to be looking for your standard ebooks and PDFs. People want mini masterclasses or they want interactive tools. And with a Claude artifact, you get the ability to create both. Interactive tools that can embed videos inside of it, images inside of it, and can be really creative and even generate outputs that are specific to the actual customer, making it feel like they've got a personal experience with your digital product. In a second, I'm going to jump in and show you some of the Claude artifacts that I've actually created. But if you've never met me before, I'm Ayanda's AI twin. I show up online to share Ayanda's knowledge and insights into creating wealth online, either with AI or with building out your very own Skool community. Ayanda has online communities, one called the AI Income Stack on the Skool platform that teaches more than 10 different ways to start making money with AI. AI music, AI influencers, AI TikTok shop, AI photography, and so much more. Her second community is called the Skool Launch Circle. This is where she teaches you how to take your own passion, skills, and knowledge, package that into a form of education on the Skool platform, charge a small monthly subscription, and start making incredible monthly money. Ayanda went from 0 to 18,000 in monthly recurring revenue from doing this exact strategy. Okay, let's get back to business. But before I do, if you're serious about starting to make money online with AI or building out your very own Skool community, I'm going to link both the AI Income Stack and the Skool Launch Circle below, and you're more than welcome to join. So earlier in the video, I told you to stop creating your digital products. And when I said stop creating your digital products, I didn't mean stop sharing your education, stop sharing your knowledge. I just mean that the way that we now package our education and our knowledge needs improvement. Let's jump into the actual artifacts that I've built. I'm really excited to show you guys how creative you can get with these artifacts. The ones that I'm about to show you are going to be available in 2 different ways. One is going to be inside of my actual community as a bundle that comes with a masterclass, and the other one is a bundle that you'll be able to get on my actual stand store. I'm going to link both of those below. Let's jump down to the first one that I created, which was an actual checklist. So this checklist that you see here is for my actual staff team that works on my Skool communities. This is a daily checklist that they can go and actually check what things need to be completed every day. Well, this allows them to understand what their daily tasks are, what their roles are, and tick off their daily duties. Now, you can do this for your community members, for your staff team. You can even have this as yourself, like a productivity actual checklist. This one here instantly made me sales as soon as I put it inside of my community. This creator suite is all about selling with confidence. And what this allows my actual students to do is be able to actually get scripts to help them with their actual selling. So when you click on it, say for example, they want to learn how to do content. For one, you can embed actual images and videos in your Claude artifacts. This makes it way more interactive and almost feel like you're giving people an actual masterclass. What they can actually do is they can type in their actual subject, they can type in their niche, they can type in who they are trying to sell to, whether it's beginners, problem solving, and then they can type in the actual goal. Are they trying to build up trust, sell an actual product? They click on generate and it will generate active scripts and content ideas for them. My community members also struggle with email marketing. This helps them with their actual email marketing. Again, you put in the same actual questions or you answer the same questions and it will generate emails for you that you can send out. Same thing with the DMs. A lot of us struggle with actual sales calls or discovery calls, so it will give you a script for that. And then one of the biggest ways that I've actually built my income, my digital income, is going live. And I teach my community members about going live, and this will generate a script for your actual going live or key talking points. This sold straight away when I added it to my community. I'm a salon owner and a hairdresser, and I created an interactive hair care guide, like an aftercare guide. Once the client has had their appointment, they need to understand how to look after their hair extensions, especially if they're very new to having it. Well, this will get sent to them in an email blast, and it will teach them how to sleep with their hair, how to blow dry their hair, when their next appointment is actually due. It's got the booking link so that they can go ahead and book it. And then it's got a questions section, which has got ChatGPT embedded in it or Claude embedded in it. And they can ask real-time questions about caring for their hair extensions, and it's going to give them real output. This is one of the most incredible tools that I've been able to create, and you can do the exact same for completely free with Claude Artifacts. This is a free lead magnet that I actually created for people who want to build up their own Skool community. It's got more than 60 free tasks for you to actually have a successful Skool community, and it's an entirely free lead magnet. In fact, I think it's actually linked below this video. So you can start creating checklists as free lead magnets, but instead of it being kind of your generic one where you just have to read it, it's more interactive. They can actually tick off what they've done. This is another thing that's completely free inside of my community. It teaches people how to get to their first 50 members with their own Skool community. Again, it's an interactive tool. Instead of it being just your standard PDF, your standard guide, this is more interactive. It's a checklist. It gives them suggestions on the type of content, how to get people inside of their community. When I tell you I've been going in on it, guys, this is another free lead magnet, but this one's slightly different. On my Instagram account, I have something called ManyChat set up. And if you guys want a full video on how I set up my actual ManyChat, then let me know. But anybody who comments a single thing on any of my videos on my Instagram page, they get sent this 5K in AI income ebook. This ebook teaches them how to make 5K with AI, and it's entirely free. It's even got a calculator in it where you can actually put how much your actual digital product's going to be or your AI tool's going to be, how many sales you plan to make and how many social media accounts. And then it will calculate for you how much you need to sell or how much you can earn. And then also what's interactive inside of this free lead magnet, by the way, guys, is a checklist or a little kind of like quiz that you can do to see if you're eligible to join the AI income stack. And if it says that you are eligible, you can click on it and go straight to the AI income stack. This is such a powerful lead magnet, and I would definitely recommend that anyone does it. The next one that I created was an actual digital planner. So it teaches you how to actually start having a digital income. Again, I was able to embed an actual YouTube video inside of this. It's a checklist and it helps you with kind of multiple choice questions to understand where you are in the digital space. My students asked me for an actual course or a guide on how to actually create faceless YouTube music channels, because I actually have faceless YouTube music channels. And so I was able to jump into Claude, take screenshots of my step-by-step, how I use Suno, how I actually write my description in YouTube and so on. And it actually generated this ebook that is for my community members in minutes. I've got screenshots of my step-by-step. I've got little logos of the tools that I actually use. And so I was able to create this, including an actual checklist, as you can see here, in minutes. Now I'm able to provide more quality products and more interactive products for my actual community members. And I could have this as a completely free lead magnet, or I could start to sell it. Let me continue. I show you this so that you can get an idea of how creative these actual digital products could be. This one here is the actual Creator Growth Hub. This is extremely powerful, and I'm going to be dropping this next month. This is a tool where you can actually put in what it is that you're actually selling, what is your niche or your actual topic. You can select the actual platform, whether that is YouTube, whether that is Instagram, TikTok. You can say whether you're trying to sell, trying to grow. And as you can see here, the output is then that it's going to give you 10 different viral videos, including the hook, text that you should have on the screen, the caption, the hashtags. It's going to give you 10 different viral video ideas. And then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that it's actually going to give you 3 different carousel style posts. You can simply copy the actual carousel information, put it into ChatGPT, and it's going to generate the actual images for you. And as you can see here, you don't have to stick to just one page. At the top of it, you can see that it's got a growth tracker, which is going to help you to actually plan and strategize how you're going to grow your social media pages based on the days that you can post, how frequently you can post. And then it's also got a social media checklist where you can actually check off what you've done today. Have you been interactive? Have you done XYZ? This is an incredible tool that will drop next week. Now, this one is more for my business people who are doing AI audits for companies. I asked Perplexity and I asked ChatGPT, how much do people charge for actual business audits? And it's between $500 to $1,000. Now, this is an actual audit checklist where you can actually use a voice agent, or you yourself can jump on a discovery call with an actual company, find out everything about their business, their operations, what are they struggling with, put it all into this actual document, or not document, put it into this actual tool, and then it's going to give them an actual strategy of what AI tools will help their business grow. This one is more of a social based one, and this one is a 90-day glow up. It's a 90-day glow up for multiple different areas of your life. This is going to give you a 90-day plan when it comes to your fitness, your finances, your relationships. It doesn't matter what it is. It's going to give you an actual pledge, like a personal pledge. And then it's going to spit out what you should actually be doing for the next 90 days to have a glow up. And the reason why I've thrown this in here is for you to understand that not everything needs to be business related. You can do faith-based, you can do social-based ones. And the final Claude artifact that I've created is this one here, which is the artifact prompt. Now, if you guys want this, leave a comment down below and I will actually give you access to this. But this is the prompt that will help you create the most interactive Claude artifacts. This is where I've gone back and forth. And by having an actual prompt, this can save you a ton of time to build out your very own Claude artifact. So now that you've seen all of the different artifacts that I've been able to build, what I want you to do is I want you to head into Claude AI and I want you to upload your own PDF document or your checklist. And if you don't have that to hand, I want you to simply type in what your current PDF and your checklist does. And then I want you to ask Claude of how you can turn this into a more interactive tool. Does it need to be a checklist? Does it need to be something where people have a calculator embedded in it? Think about different ways that you can make the experience interactive for your own community or your audience or your potential buyers. Then what I want you to do is I want you to scream about it from the rooftops, give people mini demos and showcase it, because that is what I've done. I transitioned all of my digital products into Claude artifacts, and then I gave mini demos and I showcased them on my social media, both my Instagram and my TikTok. And within 2.5 weeks, I was able to make £5,000. And there's nothing special about what I've done. If I can do it, you can do it, because AI does majority of the work. I hope that this video was helpful and insightful. I'm going to leave my social media handles on the page. Be sure to go and follow me on Instagram and TikTok and tag me in your Claude artifact videos. And if you want me to do a full build video, drop a comment down below on what you would like to create a full build on. You can always jump inside the AI income stack so that you can watch my full breakdown tutorial, or you can actually head to my Stan store and you can purchase my mini masterclass. Both of these are going to give you a step-by-step on how you can build out your very own Claude artifacts. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And until next time, thanks for watching.